Hello, my friends. Look at all these books. So many books. But which one we should open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moo. This one. Our first book of Small ABC. Oh, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Let's open it. First letter is small a. Let's find small a. A. A is for apple. Next is small b. Let's find b. Is this B? No. Yes. B. B is for baby. Let's find C. C. C is for cap. A is for apple. B is for baby. C is for cap. Let's find next letter. Is this D? No. D. Yes, D is for doll. The next is E. Let's find. Yes, E. E is for elephant. Next is F. Is this F? No. Yes, F. F is for flowers. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for flowers. Next letter is G. Let's find G. Is this G? No. Yes, G. G is for gun. Next letter is H. No. Yes, H. H is for horse. Next is I. I is for iron. G is for gun. H is for horse. I is for iron. The next letter is J. J. J is for jug. Next is K. Let's find K. Is this K? No. Yes. K. K is for kangaroo. Next is L. L. L is for lamb. J is for jug. K is for kangaroo. L is for lamb. Next letter is M. Let's find M. M. M is for monkey. Next is N. Is this N? No. N. N is for nose. Next letter is O. O. is for onion. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for onion. Next is P. P. P is for pencil. Q. Let's find Q. Q. Q is for quill. Next is R. Is this R? No. Yes, R. R is for rabbit. P is for pencil. Q is for quill. R is for rabbit. Next letter is S. Let's find S. Is this S? No. Yes, S. S is for sheep. Next is T. Let's find T. Is this? No. Yes, T. T is for telephone. Next letter is U. Let's find U. U. U is for umbrella. S is for sheep. T is for telephone. U is for umbrella. V. Let's find V. Is this V? No. V. V is for van. Next is W. W. Yes. W is for window. Next is X. Is this X? No. X. X is for X-ray. V is for van. W is for window. X is for X-ray. Next letter is Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Next letter is Z. Z. Z is for zoo. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye friends.